Hello there and welcome to my channel. It's Lady Boss Terry here. If you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and click the notifications button so that you don't miss out on anything. So here at this channel, we talk about investing and trading, more specifically with futures and options. And today is really just a quick announcement about an upcoming release for futures trader using the Obsidian Indicator Suite. As always, I am not a financial advisor. Do your own due diligence. Anything that you learn here on this channel is just for educational purposes. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, what I want to just talk about really quick is over here on the left is NinjaTrader with the full Obsidian Suite install, and we're not going to go into training in here. But on the right is a screenshot of what is coming with the new version, and as you can see, it looks a lot different. I'm excited about it. I don't have any details except for that today, January 2nd, is when they're starting the rollout, and you have to sign up for in the community for Zoom link and be an Obsidian customer. So if you aren't an Obsidian customer and maybe you just even want to get the trial, I will include a link below in the description. But a couple of things that I'm excited to see is this wait until the flat ATM. I'm kind of curious on how that will work out and be used in our favor. But more importantly, I'm really looking at this counter trend because I know many of us are counter trend traders, especially if you're using, let's say, the Rinko candles or even the Hakanashis. Either way, being a counter trend trader to get the most or get the biggest move is definitely something that would work in our favor. I'm just guessing here that now we have the enter on or reverse on, that these are going to be settings that we can enable or disable as we see fit. So definitely more features than what we have on the left, where it's just on or off, but you can't really tweak when you're entering or exiting or maybe even reversing on. So I am super excited about this new release that should start today, but at least the info meeting about it is starting this evening. So I wanted to get that out to the community and to anybody that's watching the channel. So don't miss out. Check out the links below and let's make 2024 a trading and investing year that is beyond our wildest dreams. And I'll see you later.